Meditating for 30 days has had a profound impact on my life. Initially, I was skeptical about the practice, unsure if it could truly make a difference in my overall well-being. However, as I committed to daily meditation, I began to notice significant changes within myself. The most noticeable improvement has been in my mental clarity and emotional stability. I found myself better able to handle stress and anxiety, and I became more adept at navigating the challenges of daily life. Meditation allowed me to develop a sense of inner peace and tranquility that I had never experienced before. It provided me with a refuge from the chaos of everyday life and helped me find solace within myself. Moreover, meditation has led me to a heightened sense of self-awareness. I became more attuned to my emotions, thoughts, and bodily sensations, fostering a greater connection with my inner self. This self-awareness has not only facilitated personal growth, but has also improved my relationships with others as I approach interactions with heightened empathy and understanding. Overall, the 30 days of meditation have been transformative. It has become an integral part of my daily routine, enriching my life in countless ways. I am grateful for the positive impact it has had on my mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being, and I look forward to continuing this practice as an essential part of my self-care regimen.